Hello Libra, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your time and your energy. And if you're new here, welcome. Let's see what the universe got for us today. We have safety. I feel like you're doing something, uh, Libra, that's gonna require safety. But I'm getting a lot of things. I also feel like you are safe, you know, you are protected. Whatever you're gonna be doing, you are safe to do so. It's like if you're feeling like something might not be safe or or it's not, it might be too risky. It's okay. It's safe. It's safe. You are safe. There's safety there. There's protection. Hope. There's hope. Whatever this is, there's hope. If it's risky, it's safe. If you feel like there's it's gone, it's done, it's empty, there's nothing, there's hope. There is. Whether this is a job, whether this is a connection, whether this is something like personal, there's hope. And it's safe. It's safe to do so. I feel like it's something about flying. It's almost flying, like if you're trying to jump out of an airplane, of course, safely, like, you know, based on the rules, like with someone else or something, but it's like, I don't know, but it's almost like something flying, like there's hope. This could just be also just like, this could be a connection because it's almost like you feel like it's not safe, like it's not something safe, nothing secure, it's not, you feel like it might not be anything stable, not, it's like there's no responsibility with this connection. So you wonder, but it's there's safety, it's safe, and there's hope. Purification. I feel like that's what's going on right now, Libra. I feel like let's focus on you, but like that, I feel like that's what you're doing right now. Whether you do it, whether you go to like a river, you go to the beach, you in your own shower, when you drink water, it's like it's almost like putting those good things in your body, like, like being conscious about what you eat, what you drink, what you consume, things like that. And I don't know, I feel like you might be doing this because you find that hope, right? It almost like it gives you a spark, a motivation, inspiration. Page of Wands. This is a message, a passionate message. A message with passion, in person. I feel like they're coming in person. I feel like they're on their way. Or they're just arriving. King of Swords. So I feel like someone here it's almost yeah, it's like defensive. It's almost like someone try to bring a passionate message, and someone was waiting with the sword up, kind of like, I don't want to hear it, like, oh, it's you, get out of here, type of thing. Wow, like very straight to the point. Maybe you did listen. Maybe you did listen, but it's like you had to soar up the whole time, kind of like with that face of like for how for how long are you gonna talk, type of thing, which is rude. Strength in reverse. I feel like someone doesn't have the strength anymore to deal with this. I feel like something happened here, Libra. Something happened here that the other person doesn't even want to hear it. But it's like they see you as safety. They see you as someone that can be like someone secure, someone confident, someone balanced, someone nurturing. Six of Pentacles. I feel like if you would just, I feel like because you just don't have the strength to maybe go through something else. I feel like with this person, I feel like that's why you're just defending yourself. You're not even allowing anything. But I feel like if you have the strength and you have some hope and you believe this person that is purified, I feel like this can bring a lot of celebration, a lot of happiness, a lot of joyfulness. But of course that's only your decision, Libra. The Hierophant in reverse. Wow. I feel like this person is going through a divorce or went through a divorce. It's gonna be a Taurus. Yeah. Wow. I feel like there's no wonder you have that face and that sword up, like you. Wow. And I feel like because it's that too, I feel like at some point you were really happy with this person, and I feel like a lot happened where now you're just like, are you serious? 8 of Wands. I feel like they, again, I feel like they want you to come to them or with them, like they want you to be with them, and I feel like they're not gonna give up. I feel like they're not gonna give up. Like for example, if they see you as being stubborn, for being so guarded, for not even listening with the open mind or open heart, they're gonna do the same. They're gonna be stubborn and they're not gonna give up until you allow them. I mean, I don't know if that's gonna end up in a good situation. The Chariot. Well, I do see here some traveling, okay? I do see some traveling, whether they're traveling to you or you're going to end. Libra. 5 of Pentacles. Wow, I feel like for that to happen, someone's gonna have to drop some things. Someone's gonna have to leave something behind. And as sad as it is, that's what's gonna take. The Emperor. Yeah, I feel like this is you, Libra. You know? You're not stressing over this. You're doing your thing. You know who you are. You know your worth. You're not stressing over this. If anything, they are the ones stressing because they want you so bad. But I feel like they didn't do some things right in the past, or things didn't work out. But I feel like it was, they had a lot of things that dissolved the connection. Knight of Wands. Yeah, they're gonna come with some passion, Libra. They're gonna come with some passion. They're gonna come fast. Ten of Wands. And I feel like because this is like getting so heavy. This is getting so heavy. They need to come express this to you. They need to come say this to you. They want to express this passionate message they have for you. It's like they cannot hold it anymore. The Moon. Yeah, I feel like within that message there's some things. There's some truth that you were not aware of. You know, I feel like some things they never said to you, they never expressed to you. But it's like they cannot take it anymore. They have to express this to you. Death in reverse. I feel like this is gonna create something new, Libra. As crazy as it sounds, this is gonna create something new. You know, there's gonna be something they're gonna say. They're gonna express something. It's like they're not gonna stop until you hear them out, and you might like what they have to say. Graceful persistence. Yep, that is them. Graceful persistence. Like they're gonna have persistence. They're not gonna stop. They want you so bad. It's like I don't know for how long they've been like this. Balance. I feel like you're gonna have the control. You're gonna have the control. You're gonna be the one creating the balance, Libra. At the end of the day, you are the expert at it. Thank you so much for your time, your energy. I hope this helped a little bit. See you next time. Bye.